Hello everyone. So after preparing my last video on the AOS, there were some natural questions that came on my comment and I thought that let me handle those questions in a separate video. So most people, you are aware now that there has been certain changes to the way AOS will accept applications, that it has 6 dates for 2024 in which the application would be accepted. So many people were asking me uh, when to apply, what is the best time to apply? Should I just wake up 12 a.m. on the 11th and apply? So there were many questions of people. So that is what I will try and answer in this particular video. Okay. Um, Again, you would see some QR codes for joining and my WhatsApp groups. So if you want, you can take value out of that. Okay, so now let me take you through the basic understanding that I have understood. Okay, and I will try and keep it as simple as possible, guys. Okay, so first and foremost, what we need to know is that the program of AOS has not changed per se. What I mean by that, the eligibility of the program, the way you apply to the program, everything remains same. And that is what was mentioned in the video. So in my earlier video. So if I look into the updates here, and I think I mentioned it here, that I had shown it to guys here. Yes, see, eligibility criteria for AOS have not changed. Okay, so the way you apply to the program is still the same. So how would you apply in a normal case? You would go to the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program landing page. Let me make it a bit smaller. Yeah, so you would go to the landing page, go to the Alberta Opportunity Stream link, right? And it opens up a page, and then here I hope you guys have already checked your eligibility and then you are ready to apply, and then you would click on how to apply. How to apply will take you through a page where it will say the first thing is obviously to check your eligibility and that you have no duplicate application, and then click on the immigration portal. If you click on this portal, it will take you through to a page which is basically the same Aaip account page. After you log in, I have already logged in for demo purposes. So after you log in, you would click on create new application here. So you would just click here, create new application. It will open up a second page where you can click create an application. So right now, AOS is grayed out, right? So what this is my expectation, or this is my understanding, is that on 11th at some point of time this link will become active, and then you can start applying. Once this link become deactivated, you cannot apply. Okay, so I would say rather than guessing the timing of your application, log in on 11th and see when this link becomes active. If this links become active like right at 12 a.m., like 12:01 a.m. in the night, and if you are ready with your application package, go and apply at that point of time. Obviously, the sooner you apply is better. It's quite possible that during the day on 11th, once they have received those number of applications, I think it was 400 something for AOS, right? Let's look into the numbers again here. Go back. Let me go back. Where is it? Where is it? Let me go back. Processing times and inventory. Let's see, there was 400. Yeah, so 430 odd applications would be accepted. So it's possible that after 430 applications are entered or saved, you would this link would be deactivated. That's also possible, right? So don't guess or double guess yourself. I would say step one right now is prepare your documentations. Get ready with all your documentations. Make sure you have all the documentations that is needed. I have quite a few number of videos on the documentations of AOS. Get ready with that. And as soon as you get, once you are ready by 11th, or whenever you are planning to apply, so 11th of June, 9th of July, so for each month there is a date that has already been declared. On these dates, once the link becomes available, click on the link and submit your applications. It is a 30-40 minute application stretch. Make sure you have that much time booked. Move away from all the distractions and just apply. Make sure you have all your documents ready, scanned in a PDF, in a folder ready on your desktop, so that you can just, as soon as the application opens, you can apply. So I would say there would be no definite timeline till the link is active. You can apply. Once the link is deactivated, again you cannot apply. In most cases, it looks like after this number of applications have been received, they will again deactivate the link. It looks mostly like that because they did the same for tourism and hospitality stream. And in fact, they are following a similar model to tourism and hospitality stream. That is what I covered in my last video also, that they will now have a limited number of applications that they will process each month. Again, let's hope, as Aaip is saying, this will help them to prioritize and give a quicker response to the applications, and I hope that is how it works out. Okay, so this is what I wanted to cover. If you have any questions, you know how to reach out to me. Join my WhatsApp group, subscribe to the channel, please. And I am trying to be more regular from now on, so you would see more videos coming on some of the new topics that are, and the new developments that are out there. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.